Congratulations, your Claude Business Command Center is live. You now have something most business owners only dream about, an intelligent partner that knows your business inside and out and is ready to work whenever you are. Let me show you how to get the most out of it. Let's start with the things you'll use every single day. Email in seconds. Need to follow up with a client, send a reminder to your team, or respond to your market manager? Just tell Claude what you want to say and who it's going to. It drafts it, you approve it, it sends it right from the conversation. Done. Calendar magic. Say, schedule a team meeting for Tuesday at 2 p.m. and watch it happen. Need to reschedule? Just ask. Claude sees your calendar, finds conflicts, and handles the details so you don't have to. Find any document instantly. Instead of digging through folders, just ask, pull up my 2024 tax return, or find my latest comp recap report. Claude retrieves it from your Google Drive in seconds. No more hunting, no more clicking through folders, just ask and receive. Now here's where it gets powerful. Understand your numbers, ask Claude to analyze your compensation trends, compare this quarter to last year, or break down where your money is actually going. It's read your financials, it can explain them in plain English. Plan with confidence. Thinking about hiring? Ask Claude to model what that looks like financially. Considering a new location? Have it build a projection. It doesn't just store your data, it thinks with you. Prepare for anything. Got a meeting with your market manager coming up? Ask Claude to summarize your key metrics and talking points. Need to present to your team? It'll create the slides. Quarterly review? It remembers what you discussed last time and tracks your progress. Never start from scratch. Need a job posting, a client email template, a social media post, a training document for new hires? Claude creates it in your voice using what it knows about your business. Here's the secret weapon. Your command center isn't just smart, it's connected. Through the custom integrations we installed, Claude can actually do things, not just talk about them. It can send emails directly from Gmail, it can create, update, or cancel calendar events. It can save documents, spreadsheets, and reports straight to your Google Drive, organized exactly how you want them. Need a spreadsheet comparing your team's production month over month? Claude builds it and saves it. Want a professional PDF proposal for a potential partnership? Created and filed. You're not copying and pasting between apps anymore. You're commanding a system that executes. A few tips to get even more out of your command center. 1. Talk to it like a person. Don't worry about perfect prompts. Just explain what you need like you would to a trusted assistant. 2. Give it context. The more you share about what you're working on, the better it helps. I'm preparing for my quarterly review, and feeling nervous about my retention numbers gets you way more than help with my review. 3. Keep feeding it. Upload new documents as you get them. The smarter your command center gets, the more valuable it becomes. 4. Don't hold back. Ask it wild questions. Challenge it. You might be surprised what it can do. Your Claude Business Command Center is ready to work as hard as you do. Got questions? Stuck on something? Reach out anytime. That's what we're here for. I'm Cinderella with Imaginary Farms. Now go run your business with intelligence.